Hi, I'm AnalysisWX.com's weather analyst Andrew Fleck, just here for a midweek Wednesday's severe weather outlook. And what started as a storm in the Gulf is now heading inland across the south central United States. That is where the storm is. The portions that it is affecting is rather both ends, west or left of the storm and right and east of the storm. East of the storm, we're seeing severe thunderstorms across the southeastern portions of the United States. Tornadoes, severe thunderstorm warnings, hail, strong winds have been reported, not to mention very heavy rain. As we go to the western portions of the storm, we have seen some rather cooler air and some mixing with rain and snow at times. Even sleet could be brought into that equation. So looking at the radar here, we do have a low pressure now making its way up into now the Tennessee Valley. This low is going to move and make its way into the northeast and mid-Atlantic as we head into late this evening and into tomorrow. And with that, on the eastern side, we have a much stronger band, okay, and that's where you're going to have the warmer air pumping up into this storm, and pretty much that's going to indicate just more firing up of thunderstorms. And really anyone who is in this area, okay, right here in this boxed in area, is going to be game for pretty much thunderstorms from this evening till late tonight. So again, I cannot hesitate enough to take cover. Keep on the local news stations to see if your area is affected by a watch or a warning. Again, this is not one of those days in the wintertime where it's rather maybe a weak thunderstorm outbreak, but rather a moderate one where thunderstorms are possible, as strange as it may seem in December, but again, they are possible, as well as strong winds, heavy rain, like I said. To the western side, we have some cooler air being able to drop into the storm. That's where we're seeing a mix of rain and snow. The accumulations from this storm are going to be rather light, as we can pretty much consider this storm a warmer core storm, which means you're seeing more of a warmer type of precip, which is the rain and the thunderstorms. So as this storm starts to move northeast, we do expect this area of colder pocket to extend a little more than what it looks right now. But again, you can't really roll out 1 to 3 inches as this band and this system becomes moving more to the north and east. So as we kind of aim forward into some of the areas that are seeing some severe weather, we have a band that's moving through ahead of this line right here, and this band is going to continue through South Carolina, North Carolina. Ahead of that, some pop-up thunderstorms that can leave a good amount of flash flooding. When that band comes through, you're going to have very hectic winds come through, very heavy rain. And again, this is the type of thunderstorms that are going to be embedded, so you can even have some embedded severe thunderstorms and maybe an embedded tornado. Please be careful and please watch this very carefully through this evening and through late tonight. Last but not least, the Analysis WX team has put together a risk of severe weather today through your afternoon and evening. We are talking about slight risk from anywhere outlined from Virginia down to the southern states, and a moderate risk across Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina as we head into the late evening hours. So keep tabs on Analysis WX right now, here and now live. We will give you the continuous updates off and on as this storm continues to progress to the northeast. So I'm AnalysisWX.com's weather analyst Andrew Fleck, signing off for now, but doing another update